not forsake what was yours. You lay love upon the earth. You lay love upon the earth. It is finished. I am free by your love that set me wild. What is broken is redeemed. I am reconciled, reconciled. I rejoice in the gift I am given. Nothing else, nothing tongues could achieve. My soul no longer fragile and timid, but inspires my heart to be free. Through the Christ we are redeemed. Through the Christ we are redeemed. It is finished. I am free by your love that set me wild. What is broken is redeemed. I am reconciled, reconciled, reconciled. You became the very worst of my sins when you were cursed like a